If you are looking for your next internship experience in public health or healthcare, this is for you. I am the founder and CEO at Jenkins Public Health Consulting, and I want to walk through the internship details and application. We are offering internships to current and aspiring public health professionals who are looking to gain hands-on experience in person or virtually. Now, this internship offers the opportunity for you to gain experience across public health, healthcare, health technology, and business. And those who will become an intern with us throughout the year and beyond will gain skills in program development, implementation, evaluation, marketing strategies, strategic planning, and even sales, while contributing to diverse client projects that align with our company. And the great thing about it is we serve public health or healthcare organizations all over the United States, and even current and aspiring public health professionals in different countries with our workforce development programs. When it comes to the internship application, I'm going to keep it very quick and simple for you. If you go to www.jenkinsphc.com/internship, you will see the internship details and how to apply. I have a timeline on here that you don't have to pay any attention to because we are accepting applications on a rolling basis. All right, so all you need to do is submit these details, and I will get those directly to my inbox, and we'll follow up with those who qualify and have them schedule an interview with me and go from there. So this page will be long-standing. Maybe you're someone who is looking for an internship now or in the future. You can always visit this page when it comes up for you, okay? So the internship is a 3-month time frame, and it is unpaid. However, you may qualify for the following benefits: a certificate of completion, recognizing your achievement in completing the internship program. You'll also receive an exclusive member discount to access the Public Health Mentor Program, which is a 8-week accelerator program that has helped men and women worldwide within 90 days land mid and senior level jobs in public health and even raises in their current position. You can also qualify to receive a stipend to sit for the national exam and become a certified health education specialist or master certified health education specialist, which is offered by the National Commission for Health Education Credentialing. Now, anyone in public health, I highly recommend that you sit for this certification. It is nationally recognized, it is covered under federal law, and there's endless other benefits that I love talking about for people who have obtained this certification. Now, if you are someone working in the healthcare space, maybe you have a medical background and you're pursuing a intersection of public health job, maybe you're a public health nurse, I still highly recommend this certification for you for many reasons. It improves patient health outcomes. It improves patient relationships and trust among physicians or health professionals and patients. Again, there's so many benefits to that, and I can go on. Now, the eligibility is pretty open, but we're looking for current college students or recent graduates who require or desire a public health internship. And I'm heavy on the require because we want to make sure that people are entering the workforce fully equipped, confident, and have the skills to be successful in their role, meaning you will successfully help to develop or implement public health programs to improve health outcomes. That is what we do at Jenkins Public Health Consulting. We help public health or healthcare organizations design or strengthen their existing programs, identify strategic partnerships, and create community outreach and engagement strategies that actually work and build trust with communities to improve health outcomes or access to resources. This is open to current students and recent graduates. However, I did note here that if you are a recent graduate, then you likely don't need a internship, right? You don't require that. So I encourage you to find a job in the industry because you are more than equipped, more than you may think you are, to find a job. The Public Health Mentor Program would be a perfect resource for you instead of securing an internship. I have a list of qualifications that people should read through. However, it is open. If you don't have any experience in public health, this is perfect for you. You're going to gain a lot of experience. If you have a little bit of experience or even a lot, that is fine too. I want you to learn about the for-profit side of consulting for public health or healthcare organizations. It is a big eye-opener. I'm also listing the responsibilities. So take a moment to read through this. If you have trouble submitting or have questions, you can email me at info@jenkinsphc.com with the subject line 2025 internship interest. Again, we are accepting applications on a rolling basis. So if you see that you've missed that deadline on our website, don't worry, go ahead and submit anyways, and be ready to get your hands dirty and blow your mind with opportunities that come your way after interning with our company, because man, people are doing great things after they've interned with us. And even those who have went through our public health mentor program accelerator, it is truly life-changing. Not my words, their words. And I hope to see you as an intern or someone who's participating in our public health mentor program. Thank you so much for your time.